We live in a distracted society. From social media updates to email notifications, our devices constantly demand our attention, pulling us away from the present moment and scattering our focus. Why do we lose our focus? Many of us pride ourselves on our ability to multitask, but research shows that juggling multiple tasks impairs our focus and productivity. Constantly switching between apps and tabs may give the illusion of productivity, but in reality, it fragments our attention and diminishes our ability to concentrate. Entertainment is just a tap away, with streaming services offering an endless array of movies, TV shows, and viral videos. While these distractions provide instant gratification, they also chip away at our ability to sustain attention on more important tasks. Especially, TikTok videos kill our brain. Why? TikTok and similar platforms offer a constant stream of short, attention-grabbing content. The rapid pace of content delivery can make it difficult for our brains to settle into a focused state because we're constantly switching between topics and stimuli. Short videos provide quick bursts of entertainment or information, satisfying our desire for instant gratification. This can train our brains to seek out short-term rewards rather than investing time and effort into activities that require sustained focus. Because of these, we lose our focus. These are 5 simple steps to increase your focus. Set clear goals. First things first, set clear goals for yourself. Knowing exactly what you want to accomplish gives your brain a roadmap to follow. Break down your tasks into manageable chunks and prioritize them based on importance. This helps you stay on track and minimizes the temptation to veer off course. Practice time blocking. Time blocking is a game changer when it comes to focus. Allocate specific time slots for different activities, work, exercise, or leisure. By dedicating uninterrupted blocks of time to each task, you create a sense of urgency and prevent multitasking, which can fragment your attention. Embrace mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for sharpening your focus. Daily practice, mindfulness techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. This helps quiet the chatter in your mind and trains you to bring your attention back to the present moment whenever it wanders. Minimize distractions. Identify and eliminate distractions in your environment. Whether it's turning off notifications, decluttering your workspace, or using website blockers, create a conducive environment for concentration. Remember, out of sight, out of mind. Prioritize self-care. Don't overlook the importance of self-care in maintaining focus. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious meals, and incorporate regular exercise into your routine. A healthy body and mind are better equipped to handle distractions and stay focused.